You are a manager in non-HR function, or a student of business management, and want to understand the purpose of HR, and how the department operates. You want to deal with people-related issues better. You want a strong and collaborative relationship with your human resources team. Well, we have an ideal workshop for you. Fox Job Search and Howard Learning are glad to offer a workshop on HR for non-HR managers. The workshop will cover HRM, its impact on business, understanding key HR processes and why any manager should be aware of them, HR policies AMP, their impact, covers important HR policies that affect the business decisions and operations, and HR and measurement, key HR metrics that you should monitor continuously. It is 2 days workshop conducted on virtual platforms for maximum 20 participants and uses the case study and discussions methodology. So, enroll now.